Hello everyone, once again welcome back to this channel. In this video we are going to see some special functions of integration. Till now we have done those questions where a linear polynomial used to be there in denominator. Suppose we have 1 upon x, then the integration will be log x. Suppose we have 1 upon 2x plus 3, then the integration will be log 2x plus 3 upon 2. Right? So these were the questions where a linear polynomial used to be there in denominator. But let's say we have a quadratic polynomial in denominator. Suppose we have, let's say we have 1 upon x square plus 4. So you can see x square plus 4 is a quadratic polynomial. Suppose we have 1 upon x square minus 9x plus 8, and now we are supposed to integrate this expression. So these type of questions, how do we integrate these type of questions? That's what we are going to learn in this video. Okay, so guys, let's get started. There are some formulas that we need to remember, that we need to cram, that we need to learn. Like suppose we have 1 upon x square minus a square. Then there's a formula for the integration of this expression. The formula is 1 upon 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a plus k. We can also derive this expression, this formula. Let's see the derivation of this formula. Let's see the derivation of this formula. I have 1 upon x minus a and 1 upon x plus a is subtracted from this expression. Then we will get, if we take LCM of x minus a and x plus a, it will become x minus a into x plus a in denominator. In numerator, we will have first of all x plus a, then x minus a will be subtracted from it. So this x and x will be cancelled out. We will have a plus a, this is 2a. In denominator, we will have x minus a into x plus a, which will become x square minus a square. So further now we can bring that 2a in left hand side. So that 2a will be brought to left hand side. 1 upon 2a, 1 upon x minus a minus 1 upon x plus a. And in right hand side we have 1 upon x square minus a square. Right? So now let's integrate both the sides. Okay? Let's integrate both the sides with respect to x. So this 1 upon 2a is a constant term. This variable part will be the inside of integration sign. Okay, so guys, now you can see the integration of 1 upon x square minus a square. This will be equal to 1 upon 2a, 1 upon 2a, and inside the bracket we will have the integration of 1 upon x minus a. This is a linear expression, and the integration of 1 upon x minus a will be log of x minus a. Then minus, and the integration of 1 upon x plus a will be log x plus a. And we all know the formula of log a minus log b. 1 upon 2a log a minus log b. So this will become log a by b. A by b. And this is what I have written there. The integration of 1 upon x square minus a square will be 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon में x plus a. So guys, this is the derivation of this formula. आप इसे याद रख सकते हैं. But examination point of view से इसका derivation वाला part इतना important नहीं रहता है. Okay? So आपको यही चीज आपको इसमें याद रखनी है. So guys, this is the derivation of the first formula. Just like this, there are 5 more formulas that you need to learn. So there are total 6 formulas that you need to learn. The first one is 1 upon x square minus a square. Then the integration is 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a. In this first identity, you can see this is in denominator we have variable square minus constant square, right? But suppose we have constant square minus variable square, then formula will be changed a little bit. 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x. The derivation of these two formulas, both the formulas is same. Like in this situation, we will be adding 1 by a plus x and 1 by a minus x. When we add them, so after taking the LCM, the variable part x is subtracted. They will be cancelled out. So now this 2a will be brought to left hand side. Then we can integrate both the sides. So the formula will become like this. Okay. So this is the second formula that you need to learn. The third formula is where variable and constant both are added. 1 upon x square plus a square. Right. So guys, in this situation, the formula is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay, so we can also see the derivation part of this formula. Suppose we have to integrate 1 upon x square plus a square. So we will have to use substitution in this situation. I am putting x equal to a tan theta. A tan theta. When this is differentiated with respect to x, this x become 1. A, the derivation of tan theta with respect to x will be sec square theta, then d theta divided by dx. Now this dx will be brought to left hand side. Now we have a sec square theta, d theta in right hand side. So now the integral part will be, we have 1 in numerator, x square, it means a square tan square theta, a square tan square theta plus a square. And in the place of dx, we will be writing a sec square theta d theta. So guys, now you can see in numerator we have sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. And in denominator we can see the a square is common. Now we have tan square plus 1 in the bracket. So this portion will be, this part will be like cancelled out. And now we will have this a se a cancel out. Now we will have only a in denominator, and that will be integrated with respect to theta. And as you can see, this 1 by a is a constant part. उसके साथ कुछ नहीं करना. 1 का integration with respect to theta will be theta plus में k. That's it. Over. So now ये integration हो गया है. अब इस theta को दोबारा x के terms में भी लाना है. Okay. So we will bring this theta in the terms of x once again. So now we have x equal to a tan theta, which means the value of tan theta is x by a, and the value of theta is tan inverse x by a. So guys, 1 upon a tan inverse x by a plus में k. So that's what I have written there. The integration of 1 by x square plus a square will be 1 by a tan inverse x by a. ओके, सो ये 3 फॉर्मूले हमने देखे हैं, ये आपको याद रखने पड़ेंगे. बिना इन फॉर्मूले को याद रखे हमारे क्वेश्चंस भी नहीं बनेंगे. ओके, फिर सेम चीजें यही क्वेश्चंस अगर हमारे पास आए, बट इस बार जो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर होगा, दिस विल बी इनसाइड द रूट. सेम वी कैन हैव this 1 upon a square minus x square under the root, and the last but not least 1 upon x square plus a square, वो भी ये रूट के अंदर ही आपका रहने वाला है. So guys, in this situation the fourth and sixth both will be same, they will be similar, like we have log x plus, and this entire denominator will be written once again x square minus a square plus k. Similarly, in the sixth formula, log x plus the entire denominator x square plus a square plus में k. और जो फिफ्थ है 1 अपॉन में रूट a स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, तो यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला आपका रहता है साइन इनवर्स x अपॉन a प्लस k. ओके, सो बच्चों ये सब फॉर्मूले आपको याद रखने पड़ेंगे. इनसे ही रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हमें यहां पर अब देखने को मिलेंगे यार. ओके, लेट्स से वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन 1 upon x square minus 16. Suppose we have 1 upon x square minus 16. So this 16 can be written as the square of 4. So we can compare this expression with the first formula. The value of a in this situation is 4. So according to this, we have to write 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus में k plus k, right? Only this. हो गया, खत्म. That's it. Okay? याद होगा फॉर्मूला तो कर पाओगे, ओके, अदरवाइज नहीं कर पाओगे यार, ठीक है? Yes. So let's come to second one. Suppose we have to integrate 1 upon 9 plus x square. So guys, you can see in this situation there is a plus symbol between the variable and constant. So this 9 can be expressed as the square of 3 and then we have x square. आप इससे कंपेयर कीजिए, इन 6 में से आप देखेंगे कि वेरिएबल स्क्वायर प्लस कांस्टेंट स्क्वायर ये आपके थर्ड फॉर्मूले में आता है, और इसके लिए हम फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं 1 by a 1 by constant then into tan inverse x by a plus k. That's it. ये यहाँ पे खत्म. Without remembering all this formula, we cannot solve these questions. Okay. Suppose we have to integrate 1 upon root x square plus 5 square. So you can see this x square plus 5 square, this is inside the root in denominator, x square plus a square. So sixth formula will be applied here, log x plus root x square plus 5 square plus k. Okay, suppose let's say we have 1 upon 9 minus x square, which can be further written as 3 square minus x square. So now the fifth formula will be applied here, sine inverse x by constant part plus k. Okay, so guys देख सकते हैं कितना सिंपल है ये. इनको अगर आप याद रख लोगे तो आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस हो जाएंगे यार. ओके, अब इसमें ही थोड़े से चेंजेस में लेकर आता हूं. लेट्स से वी हैव 1 upon 16x square minus 9. Let's say we have 16x square minus 9. So guys, in this situation I can take this 16 as common from denominator. When 16 is taken out as common from denominator, this 16x square will become only x square. So 9 will be divided by 16. Okay, which can be further written as x square minus 3 by 4 to the power 2. And now we can apply the first formula, 1 upon x square minus a square. Formula is 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus k, right? So 16 into 2, 32, 32 by 4, 8, 8 into 3, 24 log 4x minus 3 upon 4x plus 3 plus k. Okay, so guys, we have another method to integrate this same question. We have 1 upon 16x square minus 9 in denominator, right, which can be further expressed as 4x का whole square minus 3 का square. Okay, so we can take this 4x as t. A substitution is done there. We are going to substitute this 4x equal to t. Now the differentiation with respect to x, 4, the derivative of t will be dt upon dx. Okay, so now putting all these values in this integrand, we will have 4x की जगह पे t, 3 का square, dx बन जाएगा dt upon 4. So now we can apply the first formula here, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2a log variable minus constant upon variable plus constant plus k. 4 into 2, 8 into 3, 24. And in the place of t, we can again write 4x, 4x minus 3 upon 4x plus 3 plus k. So guys, this is how this question can be done with this method, right? So I have taken many steps. I have used many steps to integrate this question. There was a direct method to integrate this question. Answer, what is it? We have to integrate the expression 1 upon 4x square minus 3 square. यहां पर सोचिए, इस ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या आपको कोई लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल दिखाई देता है? Can you see a linear polynomial inside this bracket part? 4x. 4x is a linear polynomial. Why I'm saying it linear? Because the power of x is 1. Inside the bracket, the power of x is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. इस 4x को आप x की तरह ट्रीट करो. इसको 4x मत पढ़िए. Just take it as a x. So according to these formulas, the first formula should be applied here, and according to that formula, the formula is 1 upon 2a. This 4x is acting as x, and the value of a is 3. And according to that formula, 1 upon 2a log x minus a, x minus a upon x plus a plus k. But after that, the derivative of 4x, this entire expression will be divided by the derivative of this 4x, 1 upon 4. Just like we used to do in exercise 7.1, questions like, suppose we have 1 upon 2x plus 3. Then we used to write log 2x plus 3, and then this entire answer was divided by the derivative of this linear polynomial, right? 2. Similarly, let's say we have e to the power 2x plus 5, and we have to integrate this. Then we used to write e to the power 2x plus 5 upon the derivative of the 2x plus 5. But this method was only applicable if in denominator we have linear, in the power we have linear polynomial, in the angle we have linear expression like sine 3x, then the integration will be minus cos 3x. This will be divided by 3. Similarly, if inside the bracket this variable part looks like a linear polynomial, then in that situation we can consider it as x, and after like applying this formula, we will have to divide the entire answer by the derivative of this linear part. 4x का derivative is 4, तो हमने 4 से इसको divide कर दिया. एक और चीज देखिए, जैसे let's say we have to integrate 1 upon 9x square plus 25. 9x square plus 25. So this can be expressed as the square of 3x plus the square of 5. So we can apply the third formula in this situation, and we can see inside the bracket there is a linear polynomial 3x which will be considered as x. So according to that formula, answer should be 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus k, and then this entire answer will be divided by the derivative of this 3x, which will be 3. So the right answer should be 1 by 15 tan inverse 3x by 5. Okay, suppose we have to integrate 1 upon 9 minus 4x plus 1 ka whole square. So guys, in this situation, this 9 will be written as 3 ka square minus 4x plus 1 ka square, and then integration part. Fifth formula will be applied here in this situation. तो formula है हमारा sin inverse x. This variable part, you can see this is a linear polynomial inside the bracket, है ना? So linear 4x plus 1 upon a, and a is 3, and the derivative of 4x plus 1 will be 1 by 4 plus k, right? So ये है क्वेश्चन के एक टाइप. So guys, now we are going to see another type of question where we will have a quadratic form in denominator like x square minus 4x minus 12, right? And now we have to integrate this expression. Clearly you can see this denominator is not expressed in any of these forms. X square is there, 12 is there, which is fine, but there's another 4x. There's a term in terms of x which should not have been there. If it would not be there, then we could have applied the first formula, right? But unfortunately 4x is there, so it has to be eliminated from here. So guys, for that we are going to use a completing square method in denominator that we have studied in our class 10th mathematics. Okay, so what is that completing square method? So according to this method, this denominator will be converted either in the form of a plus b whole square or in the form of a minus b whole square. So what is the method for that? Guys, first of all, the coefficient of x square, it should be 1. Suppose if it is 1, then in this situation we will have to write x square then minus 4x. Now I am saving some space for some operations, and then minus 12. Okay, so guys, what is the coefficient of x? Just look at this 4x. Okay, what is the coefficient of x? Guys, this is 4. Now this will be half, which is 2. Now what is the square of 2? You will say, sir, this is 4. This 4 will be added and subtracted in denominator. Whatever is the coefficient of x, it will be halved, and then its square will be added and subtracted from the denominator. Whatever is the coefficient of x, it will be halved, then its square will be added and subtracted from the denominator. Why so? Because these three terms are making the square of x minus 2. You can see x square, 2 square, 2 into 2 minus 4x. And these two terms are making 16, and with this 16 can be written as 4 ka square. And now we can simply apply the first formula, 1 upon 2a log. This linear expression will be taken as x minus 2, x minus a upon x plus a plus k, which will become 1 by 8 log x minus 6 upon x plus 2 plus k. So guys, this is our answer. We can also do another question. Let's say we have 2x square plus 12x plus 9. So guys, as I told you, the coefficient of x square should be 1. But in this situation, the coefficient of x square, this is 2. पूरे डिनोमिनेटर से 2 कॉमन ले लो, 2 को आप कॉमन ले लो बेटा. So this will become x square plus 6x plus 9 by 2, x square plus 6x plus 9 by 2. Okay, so now we can use completing square method in denominator. What's that? First of all, we need to write x square plus 6x. Now we are going to save some space. Then we will write 9 by 2. Sir, whatever is the coefficient of x, it will be halved, and then its square will be added and subtracted in denominator, so that the first 3 terms will make the whole square of x plus 3, and this part will be solved in rough part, like we have minus 9 plus 9 by 2, minus 9 plus 9 by 2, minus 18 plus 9, this is minus 9 by 2, and this minus 9 by 2 can be written as 3 by root 2 ka whole square. Okay, so again we can use the first formula. Formula is 1 by 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus k. So guys, ये हमारे इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो जाता है यार. ओके, सो ये है हमारा एक और टाइप का क्वेश्चन. अब इसमें भी हमारी एक टाइप और बच जाती है. We have 2x minus 2 in numerator and x square minus 2x minus 3 in denominator. अभी तक जितने क्वेश्चंस किए सबके न्यूमरेटर में 1 होता था, न्यूमरेटर में सबके था 1. ओके, बट नाउ वी हैव 2x minus 2 in numerator and we have a quadratic form in denominator. गाइस, सोचिए इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे इंटीग्रेट किया जाना चाहिए. क्लियरली यू कैन सी the derivative of this denominator is present in numerator, right? आप इस पूरे डिनोमिनेटर को ही टी लेट कर लो, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 3 को ही टी लेट कर लो. सो इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, एक्स स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव ये बन जाएगा 2x, द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2x विल बी 2 dx equal to dt. So guys, now this entire expression will become in denominator we have t, 2x minus 2 into dx. Now this will become dt and the integration will be log t plus k, where the value of this t is x square minus 2x minus 3 plus k, right? So ये तो हो गया, इसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई, इसमें हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई. प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आएगी? Suppose we have x square minus 2x minus 3 in denominator and we have 5x plus 6 in numerator. Okay, guys, अब सोचिए क्या इस डिनोमिनेटर को टीलेट करके फायदा होगा? एक्स स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 2x होता है, माइनस 2x का डेरिवेटिव 2 होता है, बट ऊपर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना? सो इस सिचुएशन में क्वेश्चन को करने का एक डिफरेंट मेथड हमारे पास रहता है बेटा. वो मेथड क्या है वो चीज मैं आपको बताता हूं. Whenever we have to integrate px plus q, and in denominator we will have ax square plus bx plus c. ऐसी फॉर्म जब भी हमारे पास आएगी, ओके. सो गाइज आप लोगों ने क्या करना है, आप लोगों ने लेट करना है न्यूमरेटर इक्वल टू a डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर प्लस b, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर प्लस b. आप देख सकते हैं ये भी इसी फॉर्म में है, ओके. सो द न्यूमरेटर इज 5x plus c which will be expressed in the form of a derivative of denominator. Guys, the derivative of denominator will be 2x minus 2. Then we will have to write b, okay. So guys, now we have to find values of a and b. अब हमें इस a और उस b की वैल्यूज को फाइंड करना होगा. मेथड क्या रहेगा? a इंटू 2 इंटू a, 5x प्लस 6, ओके. कंपेयरिंग बोथ साइड, सो x का कोफिशिएंट इज 2a, x का कोफिशिएंट इज 5, यहां से a की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 5/2, ओके. सो माइनस 2a प्लस b विच विल बी इक्वल टू 6. देखो वेरिएबल पार्ट आपका वेरिएबल के इक्वल होगा, दिस कांस्टेंट पार्ट विल बी इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. सो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x वाज 2a एंड द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x वाज 5. जब हमने दोनों को कंपेयर किया तो यहां से a मिल गया 5/2, माइनस 2a प्लस b विच विल बी इक्वल टू 6. यहां से a की वैल्यू है हमारे पास 5/2 प्लस b, और यहां से आपके इस b की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 6 प्लस 5, इट मींस दिस विल बी 11. ओके, सो गाइज इतना हमारा होता है, इतना हमने कर लिया ना. सो नाउ वी हैड टू इंटीग्रेट दिस टर्म, दिस एक्सप्रेशन, दिस इंटीग्रेंड. वी हैड 5x plus 6 in numerator, x square minus 2x minus 3 in denominator, right? So now we have assumed that the value of 5x plus 6 is equal to a 2x minus 2, a 2x minus 2 plus b. ये ठीक है. In denominator we will have x square minus 2x minus 3. Guys, 5x प्लस 6 की जगह पर ये हमने लिख दिया है इन न्यूमरेटर, ओके, और व्हेन दे विल बी सेपरेटेड लाइक in the denominator of 2x minus 2, x square minus 2x minus 3, and when b will be divided by x square minus 2x minus 3, since b is a constant term, so वो इंटीग्रेशन के बाहर आ जाएगा। और गाइस इतना कर लेने के बाद हम इतने पोर्शन में हम क्या करते हैं, हम इस x square minus 2x minus 3 को डिवाइड कर लेंगे, and this in this part we can apply completing square method, जिससे आप लोग खुद से आगे कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं। ओके सो गाइज, यहां तक हमने इस वीडियो में हमने ये समझा कि अगर डिनोमिनेटर में कभी भी कोई क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म हमारे पास आती है तो इन स्पेशल केसेस में हम कैसे डील करेंगे। ओके, सो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो we will learn about the second method of integration, which is partial fraction method. Okay, आप इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस की आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा अपनी बुक से। ओके, सो आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो। अपना ध्यान रखिएगा, बाय बाय।